Share PDFs to blind and low vision students on the go with the free EasyReader app. Available on iOS and Android and exclusive for RNIB Bookshare users, students can now also read PDFs assigned to their reading lists. Switch to text view and read with high contrast colours and natural sounding voices.
All living organisms require energy to survive.
Students can enlarge the text, change colours or the voice speed, and switch back to regular view by tapping twice with 3 fingers. Jump straight to the right page, explore at their convenience, and EasyReader will track their position so they're always in control.
When a force is applied to an object, the object exerts an opposing force.
Download EasyReader now from the App Store or Google Play. EasyReader, a better way to read. Working with RNIB, see differently. Find out more at yourdolphin.com/EasyReader App.